which will help you all to learn and reflect.
Once there was a boy named Monty and a girl named Minty. They were siblings. Both loved playing with their toys. One day, their grandfather came home to meet them. They were delighted to meet him after a long time. They offered him a glass of water and made him comfortable. Both were overjoyed to receive new toys from him. But the very next day, both began fighting over the greater number of toys that they have received. This made their grandfather upset. Just then, he thought of an idea. The next morning, he collected all the toys and kept it in a basket. While he was doing that, there came Monty and Minty. They were stunned to see that their toys are all mixed up. However, grandfather made them reflect and explained that he has not mixed their toys, but he has doubled the number of toys. If they both do not fight and play along happily together, they would enjoy playing with different and greater number of toys, which belongs to both. As they were fond of their grandfather, they respected his words and realized the importance of togetherness. They promised him that they will play together happily from now on. Before leaving from home, grandfather captured this memorable moment with a selfie together.
So, my dear friends, I hope the story made you all learn the importance of being together. Even we, the bees, stay together and collect the honey by helping and staying together.
So, my dear children, let's thank Binny the buzzing bee for an interesting story and a video. Let's recollect and reflect upon what we have learned so that we can reveal the topic of this assembly. So, unity means friendship, bonding, togetherness, teamwork, and strength. So, that's the topic of the assembly which we together found out. Unity is strength.